G7 Sports, where I'm outside with my dog Esther. She's out having a good time. She's been out. She's in the potty already. So I want to show you guys some. Watch how fast she go up these stairs. She might now, since I said that, she probably go up there in slow motion. But watch this. Open the door. Get it on the camera. See if I can get that. Esther, come. Come. Esther. Hey. Esther. Come. Watch. Here she comes. Come. Let's go. Let's see how fast she can. What you doing? What? Don't ever make me have to call you that many times. What's wrong with you? Make my audience see you get your head busted. Thank you for tuning in, G7 Sport. Good girl. Good job.